Alright, so this is the fan blower motor regulator for the AC for the Mercedes E430. To get to it, we got to remove this panel, which is up under here, and then we got to remove these bolts here. Blower motor's up under that. So I got all the bolts out. That's what we're looking for, but I got to get this panel off here. It's got these little things in the back of it. It's kind of dirty. Okay, so these are out. These are all the screws. Stick these in there. That's all of them. Yeah. Alright, so the car is running, so I gotta let it run, get a little bit hotter, but we're gonna pull that out. So that one, and then the fan should slide out, and we just unplug it. And then the regulator's built onto the fan, so pain in the butt. We gotta get that off. Not a big deal though. Get it hooked up and it'll be fine. Alright, let's take out these bolts. Alright, so we got it dropped down. So that's the regulator right there. That's the regulator we need to remove. So I have to turn off the car to do that. But this is the replacement regulator. So basically hooks right there, bolts right up, and then we just plug everything in. Alright, so I got this unbolted. We went ahead and pulled this all the way out. Just unplugged. So this end unplugs right here. And then these wires come off normally. So we have one positive, one negative. So you can't really screw it up because they're positive and negative here. And then this has got since it's a heat sink, you have to have this. Basically the same thing with computers and processors. So get some heatsink paste. We're going to put some paste here. We're going to put this sucker on here and bolt it down like so. And then we're going to get ready to put it all back together. So got to put some of this on, and I wiped down the surface really good. I'll get some of this old stuff off, and then we should be in business. Alright, so there it is. We got that sucker nice and coated. We're just going to stick it on there like that, and then we're going to put those two bolts back in. Alright, so whenever installing this, I had to pull it off and flip it, so it needs to go this way, where the edge is kind of butted up against here, so the wires will actually reach. Alright, so let's get this sucker put back in. Alright, that is a tight fit. But it's in there, and it's good. Alright, so we are working good now. It's blowing really hard. So, hope that helps somebody. You guys take it easy. Peace.